do you think that it was an amazing experience for you to play Kapil Dev? Because Kapil Paji is known to not hold back emotions. He will cry when he is emotional. He will laugh when he feels something is funny. And you are quite a live wire yourself. Yeah. So do you see you as a natural choice for Kapil Dev? Did it come naturally to you to play Kapil?
Funnily enough, I had made my debut in 2010, and in one of my earliest interviews, the first time somebody asked me if you were to play a biographical character, which one would it be? And it stumbled out of my mouth, Kapil Dev. I guess I had done some mental calculation ki मैं कैसे दिखता हूँ, थोड़ा सा tall, थोड़ा सा सावला. I would like to play cricket because it's my favorite sport, and who's an icon, maybe Kapil. I did some kind of calculation, and then it just stumbled out of my mouth that maybe one day I could play Kapil Dev. Later, when I saw the interview and I thought about it, I was like, it just came out of my mouth. I didn't really think about it. It just stumbled out of my mouth. I wonder why I said that. Khair. So I feel like that moment was a moment of, premonition of divine, something cosmic, something. Because in that moment वो just मुंह से निकल गया. अभी क्या पता था 10 साल बाद कबीर खान बोलेगा आप कपिल देव बनो. And that process of becoming this man has been so fulfilling for me as an artist to embody his character, because he's one hell of a character. He is so full of life, full of fire. He's a great man, a legend in the truest sense, not just because of his achievements on the field, but what he's been like, the way he is, his spirit off the field. He's a true team man, and I love that about him. He always puts everybody before himself, and knowing all too well that he is, the centerpiece, he ensures that he takes the team along with him. Whether it's the process of 83, they said, is it going to be a Kapil biopic? He said, one of the first things he told Kabir when this was happening was, it's very important for me that everybody in the team gets their due, and I trust you to deliver that. The process of becoming him, batting like him, bowling like him, there was no video footage that I had that I could rely on in order to become this character. So for character development, I actually stayed here in Delhi in his house for 2 weeks.
Oh, wow.
And I stayed with him, and I would shadow him, and I would videograph him and record him and observe him and hear his experiences. And
the way he spoke.
Yeah, all those mannerisms, that body language, that's where I picked it up. And of course, the cricket was the other prong in character development. My batting was pretty good. Balwinder Singh Sandhu, who I had the privilege of being coached by.
You're quite a sports kida.
Yeah, I love sports. I love it. And I love batting. It's one of my, it gives me great joy. I was quite a good batsman in school. So my batting was okay, but bhai sahab, jo pani nikla hua hai bowling mein. Bro, I can't tell you, for 4 hours a day for about 4 months of prep and 3 months of shoot, or 4 months of
just
shoot,
to get that
just
action right.
bowling.
Oh boy.
मतलब कमर टुटवाने वाला काम है, because Kapil sir's biomechanics are unique to him.
Absolutely.
So to get the action right was,
and he tends to bend a little.
He has a full body action.
Yes.